Model, 65 plate Ford Transit Custom 270 Limited E-Tech 98k miles engine seized No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 98,550. MOT, the 20th of January 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and wont turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, alloy wheels, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail,